He still ran a 10.5 with spinning his tires.
So we did a 10.5 so far today?
We got, yep, 10.5. That's the 10.5.
Let's see. Oh, cool. I got a light on my phone. Nice. What all you got done to this thing?
So far, all we got is a 3.4 Whipple, yep. 85, T56 Magnum, Eaton Truetrac, and an 8.8 inch rear end, and yeah, that's pretty much it, dude. Basic build.
This thing looks nice under the hood here.
Thank you, I appreciate it, man.
Your runs look good too.
A little bit of cleaning, but first run in over a year.
Damn.
Yeah,
I like sitting. I love these Terminator things here.
Appreciate it, man.
Cool, man. Well, I mean, I personally think it's been a good night for you already, but what are you maybe hoping to finish the night off with if all goes perfect?
Better than what I just did. If I can hit a 10.4 again, I'd be happy.
10.4.
Yep.
All right, man. Well, thank you.
Thank you, my friend.
What year is this?
It's an 04 Mustang Cobra.
04 Mustang Cobra. Convertible, stick shift.
Yep.
Mid-10s. That is freaking badass.
I appreciate it, bro. You're the man.
Adam, back up some more.
Yeah.
Okay, come back now. Advertise the truck, go ahead.
I will. we calling it a night?
Yeah. My cameraman's rolling out, and honestly, we're coming back Sunday. Are you gonna be here Sunday?
I don't know, maybe.
Yeah, come on out Sunday. We got Test and Tune from 12 to 5. That's gonna be it for the night.
All right. So you did a 10.5 today?
10.2.
What?
You did 10.2 today.
No way.
Yeah.
Just kidding, I got it.
Oh, I was gonna say, what the fuck? My man.
I didn't make it back, but I got it from the stand, so I did get it.
That's what's up. Hey, we're open for 9s on Sunday. You better be here.
Damn.
Look at that.
So you did a 10.2, and what were you telling me about your rear suspension?
Oh, it's on the cheapest suspension money could buy for the 99 04 Cobras. It's on Lakewood 50/50 shocks, like 90 bucks for the pair, and then it's on BMR springs, which are 80 bucks for the pair.
All right.
It's as cheap as it gets, man. I'm surprised it's doing what it's doing at all.
Hey man, it worked on that one, on the 10.2.
You're the man.
All right, man. Well, I got your tow truck.
Yeah, here. If it's gone, we got it. Don't forget.
Oh, I like it. That's cool, man.
And it ain't leaving on the tow truck because it has to. It's because we want to.
Yeah, I figured that. Yeah, I figured you spun. It's getting cold, and call tonight. You got the.
Well, the guy before us did his entire burnout in the water booth.
Oh, great.
Dude, he got water all over the place. Whatever, we'll be all right. Live to race another day.
Yeah. Well, I'll see you Sunday if I'm able to come down. I'd love to come down and.
I really hope you come out, man. It's a good time when you're out here.
All right, man. Thanks again.
My man. See ya.